Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain an important topic in Revit MEP, which is manage links. In a real projects, we don't work alone. Architecture, structure, and MEP models are created separately. To coordinate all these models, we use the manage link tool. So today I will explain what is manage links, why we use it, types of links, and how to manage them step by step. What is manage links? Manage links is a tool in Revit that helps us connect external files into our project. For example, architect gives building model, structural team gives structural model. We use them as a reference. Instead of copying the model, we link it. This helps us avoid file size increase, keep model update, and maintain coordination. Now I will show where to find manage links. Just go to the manage tab, click on manage link. Once you click, a window will open. This is window has different tabs like Revit, IFC, CAD format, point clouds, and topography. Types of Revit links. So this Revit, so the Revit links. These are .Revit files. Example, architectural model and structural model. Use Revit link for coordination purpose and linking external files to this ongoing project model. Second one is CAD format. So those are all AutoCAD related files we can link. For example, for background reference, we can link AutoCAD drawings, layout drawings, or site plans. Next one is IFC. IFC is used for data exchange between different software. Point cloud. Point cloud used when we import laser scan data. So for MEP projects, so we won't use this three type. So basically we are using Revit and CAD formats. Now let's see how to link model. Step, go to insert tab, click on Revit link. Here select your file and select the and choose positioning options. Auto this positioning uh, uh, options, I will make another video for explaining. Just click open. Now the model is linked. Just go to manage and check. See, here you can see options like reload from. So you can reload model, external model from. If any other folder, you can select reload from. Reload, if architect update the model, click reload to, so it will Reload the model from same existing folder. Unload, temporarily remove the link from view, and remove, completely delete the link from the model. So this path type, there are two path type. One is relative and one is absolute. A relative path is better for project sharing. Manage links helps us to avoid clashes, improve coordination, work with multiple teams, keep project organized. Without links, coordination becomes very difficult. So today we learned what is manage link, types of links, how to link models, and how to manage them. This is very important for all MEP engineers. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Revit tutorials. Thank you.